Here we are. Webideo is back with another video. In this video we're going to show how to easily clean stainless steel frying pans. And here we go. What a mess this is. It was a great meal though. Now comes the hard part. Let me show you a secret I've learned about how to clean this kind of a mess off stainless steel frying pans. First, let's clean out the pan a little bit. The oil and grease are scraped out into the garbage. We gotta get the pan ready first, and then I'll show you that little secret. Easy enough so far. The stuck on stubborn mess looks like a handful though. What's left of it, look at this. That's what's left after scraping. Well, better get some paper towels out and wipe the rest of the mess out. And now we're going to reach for our favorite dishwater soap with grease cutting to help loosen up the rest of the oil and grease in there. Squirt some in the pan, add some hot water, and let it sit a few minutes. Typical, not much of a secret so far. We go through this before we start cleaning the oily and grease mess off our frying pans. But the secret's about to be revealed. Bear with me, it gets better as we go. Okay, now we got the grease and oil easing up. Now is when we usually reach for the good old SOS pads. These have always worked really well, but today we have something even better. Something better than the SOS pads. Look what I have found here. Look at this. These are much better. Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubbers by 3M. Okay, let's open a new one up. I'll show you what I'm talking about. These are quite the little secret. It's like a ball of stainless steel and it doesn't have any sharp edges, all rounded off. It's much better than the SOS pads. Compared to the SOS pad, it's much bigger. Doesn't have soap inside it, and the SOS pads always got those sharp little pieces of metal, like splinters almost, and they fall apart all over the place with that soap. And it disintegrates really quick. After using these, I'm done with the SOS pads. These are great. Okay, so now let's get that frying pan ready, and you can watch how these new pads work by 3M, the Scotch-Brite pads. Okay, let's dump the soapy water down in the sink. Dishwater goes down sink drain. Here we go. Looking good so far. Let's see how those pads work. Okay. Easy on the hands. Simple to use as a dish rag. Just wipe. You don't really have to scrub. It's just wipe, 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 and the fried on stubborn mess wipes right off. These are great. Glad I found these. It makes cleaning after frying in a frying pan much better. You can't use it in non-stick pans though. They work great on stainless steel pans and cast iron pans though. So now we're just going to rinse the pad off, and look, it cleans off really easy. No sharp corner or anything on that pad. It's all rounded, nice and smooth, doesn't hurt. Almost like handling a dish rag. Doesn't hurt at all. Easy on the hands. Got all the mess wiped out of there. Came off real easy. Now let's just rinse it off into the sink with some water. and dry the pan off. And that's all there is to it, folks. This is a great secret. I'm glad I found this out. Quick, easy, and clean with very little effort. That's the name of the game on this one. Look at how clean that got it, with very little effort. Wow. The Scotch-Brite stainless steel extra large scrubbers by 3M. That's the secret I wanted to show you. Available online and at retail stores. Okay, that's it for now, folks. Till the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. We'll keep bringing you more videos the more subscribers we get. Thank you for watching. Bye till next time.